In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of a Microsoft account on Windows 11. If your goal is simply to close your current session without making any changes to your account type or settings, this is the quickest and easiest method to use. Signing out is helpful if you want to step away from your computer, let someone else use the device with their own login, or just refresh your session before signing back in again. The good news is that Windows 11 makes this very simple. To begin, look down at the taskbar and click the Start icon. This will open the Start menu where you can access your apps, settings, and account options. If you're new to Windows 11, the Start icon is usually centered on the taskbar by default, although on some computers it may appear more toward the left if the layout has been changed. Once the Start menu is open, find your profile picture or username. This is usually located near the bottom of the Start menu. Clicking on it will open a small drop-down menu with account-related options. This area is where Windows gives you quick access to actions connected to your current user session. From that drop-down menu, select Sign Out. As soon as you click it, Windows will log you out of your current account session and return you to the sign-in screen. Keep in mind that any open apps or unsaved work may be closed during sign-out, so it's always a good idea to save anything important before doing this. That way, you can avoid losing changes to documents, browser tabs, or other active tasks. After you're signed out, the computer will stay on the login screen until someone signs back in. If you're planning to use the same account again later, you can simply log back in with your usual credentials when you're ready. And if another user needs access, they can sign in from that same screen using their own account. So again, if you only want to log out of your Microsoft account on Windows 11 without changing the account itself, just open Start, click your profile picture or username, and choose Sign Out. It's a fast and straightforward way to end your session safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you.